What do you want me to do?
Can I please get something for him?
What's on your shoe?
A spider?
You just killed a spider?
Yeah.
Where at? Where was it?
Come here.
Okay, I'll come here.
It was right. It was right. It was right here. It was right there.
And you killed it?
Yeah. All by myself.
Good job! Let me see that spider. Ew, that's a big spider, Reagan. And his legs are on the other side of your shoe. I'm gonna have to flush him down the toilet.
Okay. Flush him down this toilet.
Okay, thank you for killing him, Reagan.
Because you're welcome.
All right.
Now flush him down the toilet.
Is he dead for good?
Yeah, he's dead for good.
All right.
He's just dead.
Good.
I saw him.
You saw him? Is he coming off?
No.
No? Well, we need to get some tissue because this is really gross. Well, I think... Here, hold him over there. Ew, don't touch him, Reagan. He's icky.
He's icky.
There he goes. Bye, dead spider.
Bye, dead spider.
So we'll never see you here again.
You'll always see me here again.
Alright, go put your shoe in your shoebox.
That was great.
Huh?
That was great.
That was great. Alright, good job, Reagan.